May I now invite Mr. Ravi Verma to say a few words.
Mr. Kumar Gera, Rohit, Govind, friends, we are all delighted to be with you today. And what Mr. Kumar Gera talked about, I can see that plant that we collectively put in at Sky Villas growing. I can also feel a lot of goodwill in this room and in the city for Gera developers. While Rohit was speaking, just because I was sitting here, kept looking at me and talking about over the hill view and over the hill project. But nevertheless, let me assure you, I know Geras now for many years. In fact, I know Kumar when he was in his teens and used to come before he went for squash, was tuitions to my mother. So this is a third generation builders family. Kumar and Nikhil, many of us have been talking about what is new in Gera. One of the main things that is new is Nikhil is back. And as you all have got just a glimpse of it, that he'll add a lot of value to Geras. One of the things that a broker expects from builder or any builder community is a continuous and correct flow of information. This is always forthcoming from Geras. They are a customer-friendly and broker-friendly building organization. They have certain systems which are so good that I give examples of this to many of my other builder friends. One of the most interesting one is that each salesperson or each marketing person, we must say now, handles the communication and relationship with between 6 to 8 brokers. Now, this is what research in management tells us, that one person can manage between 6 and 8 relationships. Anything more than that becomes unwieldy, and conflicting signals start going out into the market. Rohit was talking about branding. He's right. Geras need no better branding. In fact, you cannot open a Friday paper without listening from the father or the son. Now you will be listening from 2 sons. So, branding, they've always been very good at. This particular project is unique, not only for its location, but there are very few bungalow projects in town that are exclusive, that have good landscaping, very few of them being launched, and bungalow societies do not have plots. That even when Mr. Kumar was looking for a plot, he realized that he had to really look hard to get a plot for his daughter. Now, I'm saying this because we started selling after a while, after Rohit joined actually, for Geras, and we sold, I think, 6 villas in Skyville or Greenville. It was such an outstanding project that it was very easy for Mufi to sell. Every now and then he would come and tell me that I've sold this or I've sold that. I said that you're selling only the easy stuff here. You're not selling what is difficult. So this one is slightly challenging only for the distance. But once you get there, I've seen the site. Rohit has been discussing this for almost 2.5 years. And I'm happy to see that today they are launching. In marketing we say, and I'll learn now because all of us have tooted our trumpets for a long time. In marketing, we say that if you wish in this world to advance, your qualities you're bound to enhance. You must stir it and strumpet and blow your own trumpet, or trust me, you haven't a chance. Now guys, you can blow the trumpet of this project, and believe me, the rest of the orchestra and Geras will see to it that you have great harmony. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Verma, for your kind words. Ladies and gentlemen, I would now like to invite Mr. Yogesh Mehra to say a few words.